It's limitless. Infinity. Infinity is limitless. Infinity is limitless. And so is my BFG. Pew, pew. Oh, wrong way. Oh, got my little BFG here. Pew, pew. Check this little thing out. God, I love this thing. Anyways, I'll feature that on my other channel. Pretty cool. Today we're going to be unboxing the Angry Miao Infinity Mouse. Let's check it out. Comes in a briefcase. Lunchbox. Isn't this cool? Future art community. Angry Miao. I'm loving it. Okay. Let's get the mic over there for some ASMR. Shit. Alright. Little reveal. You guys got to see it before me. How do you feel about that? Wow, wow, wow. Let's start here. Let's start with... What is this? A dongle? What the fuck is this? It's a battery? What is this? It's got a pull tab. I'm looking with you guys. Let me move my camera so it looks like I'm looking at you guys when I'm looking at this. Remove before use. Okay. There's that. Might have to read the instructions on this one. We have a USB-A pass-through with something on it. You got like a little, okay, just a little black fuzz. Okay. Just a little USB-C pass-through. Okay. We've got the main on-course here, or entree. Main course. Main course. That's the word. That's what I'm looking for. All right. That looks like a battery. Okay. Small skates, man. Oh, what in God's name? Whoa. Ooh, man, this back gap is... What the fuck were they thinking? That does not... Jesus. Like, my hand is, like, retracting. Like, that is not good. What is the fuck are they... Oh, there's some stiff boy, thick boy clicks there. Holy moly. Okay, here's this. Jesus. Thick boy mouse buttons. What are these, like, broken in the middle? What the fuck's going on? Weird. This is... Angry Miao's really cool company. I have, like, a bunch of their keyboards and their sister company, Dry Studios keyboards. Love them. The Cyberboard's, like, one of the best typing experiences I've ever had. And I've had some high-end ass typing experiences. It's a nice board. But this is... What does this go to? Is this the dongle? I have no idea. I actually have to read the instructions on the mouse. That's not good. Maybe it's good. I don't know. We're gonna find out. This is... Okay, I don't know what that is. Probably instructions. It's like that... what is this? They got a sensor skate, but it's there. So more skates. Oh, look at that. Sensor skate, Angry Miao is listening. Hey, my skate is put on really poorly. Holy shit, look at that. Look at this boy. It's like, no wonder it feels weird. God. Okay, so I'm going to be redoing that. Got warranty, all the compliance shit. We've got grip tape. We've got a bag. And wow, that is a nice cord. Oh boy. This is staying out. That's going to replace a cord. Holy shit, that's a fucking baller ass cord. The backing on this foam. Premium stuff, man. Like, look at, like, it's like... Kudos. Approved. There's no instruction manual for me to figure this out. It's probably on this. It's probably one of these fucking QR codes. WeChat QR code, Discord QR code. Nope. Okay, I'm figuring this one out. Here, you guys can watch me guinea pig, yeah? Jesus. Hope I don't fuck this up. Let's set this back in here. I don't think I'm going to be using that. This looks like... Plug this in. Oh. Remove before use. How... Oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay. It's magnetic. Okay, so this charges, and is it the sensor? Let's see. This. Oh, remove before use. What? What? Oh, here we go. I don't know about infinite battery. That was kind of complicated. Let's try that. So that. Okay, and what's the easiest way to take this out? Nope. Yep. Okay. Easiest way, I'm guessing, is that. So you just pop that in. Pop it in, pop it out. I'm not a fan. I wasn't a fan of that SteelSeries headset. I returned mine. Oh, God, I am not. All right, we'll test this. This has been FragWatch. It's a really great cord. This changes color. This boxing. Angry Miao's they're very high end. I love them. Personally, I hope this endeavor turns out good so we get more mice. This back thing is just not meant for my hands. Okay, is this moving? I gotta turn it on. Oh man, I gotta fix that scape. All right. Thanks for watching. It's been the unboxing of the Angry Miao Infinity Mouse. Hell yeah, guys. I'll check you in the next one. Frag, watch out. Thanks for watching, guys.